What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? We are back. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out this program on how to earn daily pay income, go to the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Check it out. All right, I'm here to answer a question. I see these questions all over the place, right? So I'm going to answer this one. Do I have to use social media to make money online with this program? Okay. People ask these type of questions all the time, right? All types of questions. So I'm going to answer that for you. Let's take a look, see what the program offers, and we'll get into it. Let's talk about it. Let's go. All right, so inside your members area, okay, depending on which product you purchase, right, you're going to see specific training courses. Okay, so I am a premium member, okay, the $600 super affiliate membership. So I'm in my back office, right? So this includes, let's take a look what you have here. We give you social media, but do you have to use social media to make money? No, there's other ways. Look at the training you have, right? You have access to. Right here, how to get sales faster and do paid traffic. So you can do paid advertising. Now remember, social media is free. Okay? Social media is free. Now, we have solo ad provider, which I'm going to show you that in a second. If you keep coming down, remember you've got your ads here. I've got 200 pre-written ads plus 90 image ads included in my training. If you come down, you have how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. Okay, so no social media, right? Let's see what else we got in. Now you see your social media here. Oh, we missed one. Craigslist, right? So what do we have? How you can promote without using social media. You can do paid traffic, paid advertising with solo ads. You can do copy and paste ads. Right here, here's your ads. Then you come down here, how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. And then you have your Craigslist right here. That's not social media, right? So the answer is yes. So let's take a look. Let's go back up here. Let's take a look, and I've shown you guys this before, and I've even shown you where I've purchased paid advertising. So solo ad providers. So how to get sales faster and do paid traffic. So let me show you that website. Hang on. I'll put the link in the description for the traffic source, premium traffic. So right here it says, it's our promise to provide the highest quality solo ads campaign to your offers or websites and be the only traffic source you will ever need. We can provide traffic with basically any offer in the make money online space, biz opportunity, MLM, affiliate marketing offers, ClickBank, CPL and CPA offers, and more. All right, and we're going to look at the packages, but here's some testimonies of folks that have used this traffic source and have gotten results, right? So again, the link is in the description. So you've got these folks that are confirming they've gotten results. As well as I've shown you guys, this is the same traffic source that one of my members used to purchase traffic for our mailbox income system program. And we had all those packages going out, all those kits going out, remember? Tons and tons and tons of kits. All right. And now we're starting to see some results from that. I'll be coming back to do an update on that this week too. But this traffic works. So now check out these amazing traffic packages. So if you've got a budget for paid advertising, you can purchase traffic. They will send buyers over to your page. And you definitely want to have a capture page system. Okay, so make sure you have a page that's asking for the email address of these folks. So if you want US only, guys, here's the different packages. As low as $90, this company will send 200 buyers over to your page. This is not a guarantee of sales, but it's a guarantee of sending over 200 people to your page. Whether they put their email in or not, nobody can force people to do that, but they're going to send them over. So that's why you must have a captivating page that will entice people to put in their information. Okay, so $90 for US only. This is US only. You see the different packages here. If you want tier 1, $68 is as low as $68 package. They'll send 200 people over. 300 visitors is $102, and so forth, as you can see. As low as $58. Okay, so if you have a budget, you can use this service. All right, now think about it. The program we have here, we're talking about $300 sale per sale, $600 sale. So think about the amount that you could make. Let's say if you sent 200 people over, they sent 200 people over, you got one sale where somebody signed up and purchased a $300 training course. You made $358 from 300, boom, that will be your profit in your pocket. Or if you spent 87 and you made 300, minus the 87 from the 300 in your pocket. Okay, so look at it that way. Not to mention, you are getting leads into your system. You're building your subscriber list. That is key. That is key. Collecting leads, because what happens is now the system, because you're going to get a marketing system when you join us too, a free marketing system. Everything is already done for you. All you got to do is plug in. You start building your list. The system is sending out the emails on your behalf. People are checking it out. Sometimes it takes folks 6-7 times to see something before they sign up, but they're on your list, right? And if they don't want to be on your list, guess what? They'll go at the bottom of that list, your emails, and unsubscribe. So it's rejection free. But this is a great way to build your list. I can't tell you how many times, how many sales I've gotten over the years from just sending out emails. Okay, because remember, they asked for information. I'm not chasing them. They're coming to me, right? They're coming to you. So think about this program. You're able to make $50, $150, $300, and $600 commissions. So you have to think about, is this worth me doing it? And you're not chasing folks down. The company is sending buyers over. Okay. So let's take a look at this. You may say, well, what is tier 1? Let's look it up. All right, what is tier 1 traffic? This is traffic. Traffic is visitors. Visitors that originate in tier 1 countries usually has more money to spend and is more likely to convert. And most of the top ad networks clients are based in these countries, right? Where is this? This is USA, UK, and Australia. These countries are considered the most developed and desirable countries by advertising. Okay? The first is that they have very developed economies and lots of money to spend. So you're getting tier 1 traffic here. All right, let's go back over here so you can see what I'm talking about. So tier 1. So tier 1 is going to cost you a little more. See, it's 100%. Then if you want a little less, 80% tier 1. That's why the price you see goes down from 68, the lowest, to 58. All right, but that's why. Top tier, you get top tier. When it's 100%, that's top tier. If you want 80%, then you see it goes down just a little bit, but it's still good traffic. All right, so this is a great way to start building your list. So again, this is another way to do so, right? So back in our membership area, this is the training, the digital products you purchase. Solo ads, it's not here. Okay, I'm just showing you what they're specifying, how you can get sales faster. And the traffic source I showed you, the link is in the description. It's not in the back office. Okay, this is another one. But I'm just answering the question. Do I have to use social media? Okay, so you can use solo ads. Then what else did we say we can use? You come down, you've got your ad copy here so that you can do copy and paste, right? A part of your 2-hour workday is copying and pasting ads. And right here it tells you, it says how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. You go there, as well as, remember, all right, and as well as I'm going to add you to our thriving community. I believe we've got 700 members in there now. Let's go over here and take a look. So you come here, right? You get your ad copy here, and we show you how to copy and paste these ads. Check it out. All right, then over here in our community, which I'm going to add you for free to the group. See, it says right here how to copy and paste free ads, and we give you, here is a link to 69 websites, right? Over here, first step is going to be, you're going to start here in the community, just introducing yourself. Let the team know who you are. The next step shows you here how to copy and paste the ads, tips for copy and pasting ads, getting started checklists. Hang on. And we list other resources down below. All right. So over here, you've got your digital products. We add you over here in our group, right? And this is where you're going to get your hands-on training in the thriving community. All right. So far, what do we have? Solo ads. Boom. That's paid advertising. Then you can come and do copy and paste. On these free websites, we give you at least 69 of those. Then guess what else we have? Craigslist marketing. Okay. Another resource that's not on social media. We give you the ad copy for that too. I'm not going to click on it. Let me see what's in here real quick. Hang on. All right. I wanted to make sure I wasn't revealing all the information there, because this is paid training. We had to pay for these training courses. Okay. So Craigslist, another way to market online, not just this business, but any business. So again, this training is universal, guys. So let's say you have another business opportunity that you really, really love. You just need some help. You need some support. You need some marketing training. You need a community. You'll be able to purchase this training, get in the community, and you can use this to promote any business opportunity. But this answers the question, do I have to use social media to make money? Okay, so I just showed you some different resources here. All right, guys, so I hope that answers your question, and I've given you the resources right here. Again, the link for the traffic source is in the description, all right, to get visitors over to your page. Now, if you're ready to get started, choose one of the 4 different digital products down below to get started. We have the $50 starter package, the starter product rather. It's $50 and it's $39 for your website. This is a one-time investment, no monthly fees over here. Then you have your $150 Elite Digital product. and it's going to be $39 for the website. So you're looking at $189. And as it says right here, when you purchase your digital product, you will have the reselling rights to resell the 50 and the $150 digital products, and you'll be able to earn $50 and $150 commissions. Okay. The third product is the Pro digital product. Okay, our second most popular selling product, the Pro, the 6-figure blueprint, $300. You will have the reselling rights for the $300, the $150 and $50 digital products. You will position yourself to earn $300, $150, and $50 commissions. And remember, guys, this is instant commissions. Nobody's holding your funds here. As soon as someone goes to your website and make a payment, you decide how you want to get paid, whether it's Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card, PayPal. You're paid instantly, okay? You will have access to your products once you make your payment. All right, and then our number one product is the 600 Premium. Okay, it's highly recommended. You won't miss any commissions. You will have the resale rights to the $600, $300, $150, and $50 digital products. You position yourself to earn on all 4 different levels. 4 different products. That's 4 different income streams. All right. So down below, you have 4 different products. Choose which one works best for you. Get in where you fit in, guys. All right. So you'll come down here. You will see, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. You're going to see these products here. And you decide to even have a calculator you can play with here. Okay. Click here if you want the $50. It's saying if you want to pay with Cash App, click there. If you want the $150, okay, or if you want the $300, or if you want all in, okay, where you get all the products, all 4, okay, you get the most bang for the dollar. 600 Premium, you come down here and you make your selection. Or you can do it up top, but at the bottom is where you'll see the button for Cash App. If you go up top up here, let's go back up. Up here where they are, these buttons, we accept debit cards and credit cards, okay, on this button. But if you want to do Cash App, come down further. All right, guys. So there you have it. You don't have to use social media to make money online, but it's a great resource. All right. So there it is. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Go check this out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.